first grade. Hi, how are you? We're going to do some double digit addition now, so I want to show you what that looks like. Remember when we add two numbers, because when we were just finishing right before we had the shelter at home, we were doing double digit addition. And remember, you have to start in the ones place first. Right here, start in the ones place, and then you need to go into the tens place. So this is our ones place. In 62 and 35, the 2 and the 5 are in the ones place. So we need to do those first. So here we go. 2 plus 5 is 7. Now we go over to our tens place. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, great job. Now let's move on to the next one. Here we have 6 plus 4. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. What do I do when I have 10? Well, this is what we do. When we have 10, remember 10 ones, we bundle them up, we wrap them up, and we give them to the tens place. So that's the same thing as what we're going to do here. So 6 plus 4 is 10, so our 0 goes here. Because remember, if this was 10, we're going to bundle it up and put it over here, so then there would be a 0 here. So then we have to show that we're giving a new bundle to the tens place. Okay, so then 1 plus 3 plus 1. So we know 1 plus 1 is 2, and we can do 2 plus 3 is 5. Or if you want to do 1 plus 3 you know is 4 and add 1 more, it's 5. Either way you can do it that way, but your answer is still going to be 5 no matter how you add it. Let's move on to the next problem. We have 45 plus 29. So we're going to add 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. So this is what we do when we have 14. Because 14 is going to be a bundle of tens, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So 14, so we go 4, and bundle goes to our tens place. Okay, so that shows 14. 4 ones, a bundle up there for our tens. So now we're going to add. So we have 1 plus 4 is 5, and then add 2 more is going to give you 7. Or if you want to do, I know 1 plus 2 is 3, and I know that 3 plus 4 is 7. It doesn't matter how you want to add those 3 numbers, as long as you, oh, mark there. As long as you just add those, it's still going to give you the same number, 7. All right, so let's go over here. So we're going to have 0 plus 8. So remember, we have to start in our ones place first. Very important, start in your ones place. This is the reason why I kept telling you, boys and girls, that you had to start in the ones place, because now if our number is bigger than 10, like this one and this one, we had to give to our tens place. So 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 6 is going to be 11. So this is what we do. Since we have no other numbers here, we just put our 11 down here. So look how big that answer is. It's a 3-digit number. So our answer was 118. So that's what you do when you're in the tens place and you need to add and you don't have any numbers right next door. So this is double digit addition. So it's very important that when you start adding, you need to add in the ones place first and the tens place. So just remember when we do our straws every time in calendar, that's why when we start, we put 1 straw at a time till we get to 10. We rubber band them, bundle them up, and then when they're all bundled, we put them over in the tens place. And remember, on our 100th day, we bundled 10 bundles of tens to give us 100. So that's how our place value goes. Ones, then tens, then hundreds, then it goes to thousands and 10,000, and then 100,000, and then 1,000,000. So those are big, big numbers. So it's really important that when you're adding 2-digit numbers, you start in the ones place first. All right, first grade, I hope that helped you. Bye.